Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to make this charming dandelion flower using a velvet ribbon. This ribbon flower has a flat back that you could use on many projects such as hair clips, headbands, and necklaces. For this flower, you would need the following: a 30 by 5 centimeter velvet ribbon, scissors, pins, and hot glue. So let's begin. Fold the ribbon in half lengthwise and then secure with pins. This will keep the fold in place when you start making your petals. Now we are going to cut fringes from the fold perpendicular to the length of the ribbon. For this flower, I made the width of each strip at 3 to 5 millimeters. Continue to make fringes on the entire length of the ribbon. When we're done making fringes, we unfold the ribbon carefully. Apply a strip of glue along the length of the lower edge of the ribbon. Stick both sides together. We need to allow a 1 centimeter gap from the end of the ribbon when you start gluing them together. Continue applying glue a strip at a time and stick both edges together until you reach the end. Cut the middle part of each loop to create the petals. Now you don't need to worry if you weren't able to cut them evenly. Personally, I prefer it that way because it gives the flower a little bit of character and a handmade feel to it. Add a bead of glue on one end and then start to roll the ribbon towards the other side. Now, I do not recommend to add a strip of glue right away because from experience I usually burn my thumbs. We now add a strip of glue next to the rolled part of the ribbon and then we keep on rolling. We just repeat the process until we reach the end. I prefer to just add short strips of hot glue at a time because it just gives me better control and keeps my fingers from getting scalded by the hot glue. As much as possible, I try to make the back part of the flower as flat as possible while I am rolling it, because when I put it on a hair clip or a headband, it will be glued evenly and it won't wobble. When we finish gluing the ribbon into a roll, we can now spread out the petals to reveal a delicate dandelion. Now I'm just going to trim off some petals that are sticking out and we're done. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment down below and let me know what project you are going to use this ribbon flower for. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you will be notified for our next flower adventure. Alright guys, so I'll see you then. Bye!